I did it. It went well, and I'm gonna just cut to the chase. If you guys have any questions, what I plan to do is leave a unedited link, and that's gonna show the whole process without any music or anything like that. So you guys have a full-on 30-minute tutorial on how to do it, lessons learned, and all that, steps to avoid. But basically, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and I'll try my best to answer them. So here it is. Alright guys, so let's get this started. I'm gonna go ahead and just zoom in. Zoom in a little bit more. So, like I mentioned before, I disconnected the battery terminal. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just reach in here. And I'm just gonna remove this. I think you just pry up. And there's a black tab here, you push in, and then you just loosen it. And this one's out. Okay, so this is out. Alright. I'm just gonna yank. This is the first time I'm trying this. See how it works. Alright, so I feel it coming out already. Alright, so the bottom one's coming out. Whoa. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just Alright. Alright, and out it goes. Hoping I didn't break any tabs. Okay. Looks good. And it tells you which direction it goes, so I'm gonna put this one of them here. And then you're just taking it out like so. So press in, break the trim. And then for this one, there's another tab here. And then out it goes. And this is it. Alright, so before we put everything in, this is how the back of the frame looks. This thing goes into this metal tabbing. These two units here, if I could zoom in. Alright, 1 and 2. Lines up, if you flip it around, lines up to these two USB looking things here. If you flip it around again, okay, you got one tab over here. You see here? It lines up to this USB looking thing on the corner, the far right. So when I was inspecting everything, it looks like this tab over here, turns out it was stuck to the frame. So I had to take this out and I have to put it right back in. Basically it just slides out. Alright. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put it right back in. Alright. So that will secure the new bezel. Okay, so we are ready to put everything back in. That's it. Alright, so for this glass unit, I guess this blue optical connection does not need any type of shaving, so I got lucky there. There is a tab here for you to align everything right in the middle. So there's a gap. there you go. I guess that's it. It's snapped in. And it's not coming. Actually, it is coming back out. Okay, so now it's in. So the 4 pieces had to go ahead and do the clicking noise. And it's secure. Let me just mount this back on. In the moment of truth, I'm going to go outside, connect the negative battery terminal, and see how it does. Alright, here we go. Alright, so I'm getting a ton of errors. But the system works. It's pretty responsive, even with the glass screen protector. This is just initial reactions, initial impressions. Everything is the same. Navi. The whole screen itself is so bright. It's crisp. It's clear. Right off the bat, I appreciate this app button over this info button. Every time I click this info button, it says something about subscription. You got your car. Now that I click this button right here, it takes me immediately to Android Auto or CarPlay, which I appreciate. And overall, everything's the same. I'm assuming this is normal when I disconnect the battery. I'm going to take it out for a drive for a little bit later just to see if it works. At this point, what I would like to do is snap everything back on and return everything back to normal. You got this thing here. What I'll do is I'm just gonna fit this on. Okay, so this is on, and everything else should be just snapping into place, right? Okay, you got 1, 2, that's already been snapped in. You got everything else should go under. Alright. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we're good. We're in business. Alright. I'm not sure you guys could tell, but the trim piece here is a different color than the glass black. I'm pretty happy it matches up almost perfectly. And I got this for a steal. So yeah guys, thanks a lot for watching. And this concludes my video of the install.